Welcome to this brief introduction to Islamic finance theory and practice module. If you are interested in learning about alternative forms of finance, more ethical forms of finance, then this course should be of interest to you. This course will focus on Islamic finance as an example of ethical finance. The course will look at the theoretical foundation of Islamic finance, will examine the legal and regulatory framework within which the sector operates, with particular focus on the UK. The topics that will be examined in this course: first, we are going to look at Islamic law as a governance system. Therefore, we are going to look at the structure of this governance system, the sources of the legal rulings within this system. Once we have good understanding of Islamic law, then we are going to look at the economic theory that is based on Islamic governance. When we examine the economic theory, we are going to identify some key socio-economic concepts, such as wealth, money, wealth distribution, market, labor, and we are going to define them in the context of Islamic economic theory and to look at these definitions also in light of other conventional economic theories. At this point, it's very important to stress that you do not need to have any particular educational background in order to cope and to understand the materials that will be taught in this course. Now, once we've established a good understanding of Islamic economic theory and these key concepts, then we look at how these concepts manifest in Islamic finance. And this would take us into the products of Islamic finance, the contracts used, and the institutions that provide these products. Now, our analysis of the products and the institutions will be purely from a legal and regulatory perspectives. And the last subject that we will be examining in this course is dispute resolutions for Islamic finance. It's important to look at the best way to settle disputes concerning an Islamic finance agreement, and that is what we are going to examine in this last topic. Now, the delivery will take place over 6 lectures. Each lecture is a 2-hour lecture, and then the learning of the lectures will be cemented by 2 seminars, 1 hour per seminar. The assessment has 2 components: a presentation, which is 30% of the assessment. You'll be asked to present for 10 minutes on a topic of your choice, and the topic will be something we've examined within the course, so it's up to you to decide. And after the presentation, there will be a couple of minutes for questions on the presentation. The second component of the assessment is a 24-hour take-home exam, and this is a 70% of the assessment. You'll have 4 questions and you need to answer 2 of them. Thank you very much for listening, and I look forward to teaching you this course.